So hi guys, I'm back with the new video. I'm HRITIK YADAV. In this video we are going to do a quadratic function question. Okay, so what I have seen is most of the student in digital SAT exam, they solve this type of question in paper, and it consume a lot of time. And I think if we solve smartly in the Desmos, then we can do this type of question in within a seconds, some seconds. Okay, so without any delay, let's go to the question what it is saying. Okay, the given quadratic function 54x to the power 4 plus 219x square plus 105 has factor in the form k, ax square plus b, cx square plus d. If a, b, c, d and k are integer, what is the smallest possible value of ab? So what we have understood from here is we need to take out simply the factor of this function, given function. Okay, so it is given as some confusing way. So what we'll make here is we'll consider this x square as only x. Okay, why? To make it easier. Okay, so let's jump into the Desmos. And then which of the factor will give smallest possible value of ab? So first of all, we'll take out the factor. Okay, so what we'll do here is 54x to the power square, because we have considered x square is x, so x to the power 4 will be x square. Okay, plus 219x plus 105. Okay, so we have done here, simply copy the question from here in the Desmos, and we'll check out the value of x intercept. This is the value of x. Okay, so we simply bring it down here, and we'll change this in, okay, we'll change this decimal point into fraction. And then what we need to do here is, okay, so you can see here is what we need to do. If you get this type of fraction, just you need to click 5 here. Okay, then as you can see, you will get the proper fraction here. Okay, so what we'll do here is, now as you know that this x value equals to -7/2, so what we'll do here is 2x plus 7 equals to 0. We can write for this fraction or value of x, as you can see that if you will bring this x equals to -7/2, then it will give same this number. Okay, so we'll do similar to this -5/9 as well. Okay, so simply we will write here is 9x plus 5 equals to 0. And what the question is said here is, what is the smallest possible value of ab? So what we need to do here is which will give the smallest possible value. As you can see here, 2 7s are 14, 5 9s are 45. So one equation is giving 45 and another is giving 14. So which will be the smallest? Absolutely, the first one will be the smallest. 2 7s are 14. So what will be our answer? Simply 14. Okay, so it is how simple you can do in the Desmos. So in exam, don't be confused, just go and type in Desmos and don't jot it down in the paper. Okay, so you will not waste your time and you can give the more time in the other question. Thank you. If you have any type of confusing in this question, or you want me to solve another question, then you can comment down below.